Crude oil and natural gas beautifully continued the bull run today as well, and we have seen now oil hitting close to 74.8 levels, while natural gas has also breached the resistance at 3.1 and has moved towards 3.3. Those who follow me for long now must recall I have been vociferous about the bullishness inherent in oil and gas since long. I've been recommending a buy in natural gas since $2 levels and in oil since the last dip towards 65, 66. I have mentioned very clearly that it is going to bounce back as long as 66.5 is not taken, we should expect a recovery here. I hope you all profited so far. And today as well in the Asia session update, I have mentioned a buy at 74 and 3.1 levels for oil and gas respectively. Now, what to expect with the US session? There is not much of data before the US session also that is also going to add to little volatility here in oil and gas prices as well. And how to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. And this is the only channel in the world to give you two detailed reviews a day on multiple time frames. We find out what are going to be the possible levels at which we can initiate a buying or selling entry here for oil and gas. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to join the free Telegram channel. Join the free Telegram channel to get the updates, live updates. Do like, share, and comment. And yes, do not forget to be a part of the channel membership here on YouTube and support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch oil on the hourly charts. See, look at the move here: rise, retracement, and now after forming a double bottom, it has continued the advent on the upside here, and it is delivering consistently higher lows and higher highs. Now, where are the highs of this? Towards 75.5, 76 levels. If you look at the move today, a bit of retracement towards 20 period, and then a bounce back is seen here. It has breached the critical resistance at 74 and has seen a highs at 74.8. Now, very important, if 74.8, 75.2 zone is taken, see the neck has narrowed, and if it gives you a move above 74.8 and 75.2, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to 75.5, 76 as the next target. Moving averages here are anyways staying bullish. Stochastic here is overbought, while the MACD after a bit of retracement is now trying to converge again and trying to bounce back. RSI overbought here on the hourly charts. Coming to the 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, not to forget, see the rise, the retracement towards 20 period support here, the rise, the retracement, and see it is formed an intermediate support here now at 473.2 zone, which is going to remain a prime support zone if at all oil tries to reverse the trend here. If you also look at the 2 hour charts, one bullish candle, a swing candle here, and the third one initiating, possibility of it to continue the trend exists strong, which means a move towards 75.5 can be expected if it breaks 74.8 levels now. But remember, too much of divergence of the price from the moving averages calls for it to converge. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought here. Coming to 3, another observation here on the 3 hour charts is a bit of retracement, and then the bulls have come again. And look at the preceding candle, it has left a little wick, and the body size is greater than 50% of the complete move, suggests inherent bullishness, and this suggests that there is a possibility of a third bullish candle. A third bullish candle means a move towards 75.2, 75.5 is what you can see here or expect here. This one position you should notice, while on the downside, as long as now 74 is not taken, we should be careful here with the sells, and as long as 73.4, 73.2 is not taken, we should not be treating this as bearish. Moving averages divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD rising, and the RSI overbought here. On the 4 hour charts also, the observation is more or less same. Rise, bit of retracement, first bullish candle, it can deliver a second bullish candle in succession here. And yes, it is trying to create a new channel with the highs at 76 here. Though it is slightly overbought here on the time, whether be it the RSI, the stochastic, or the MACD, slightly overbought is what you can see here. Coming to the daily chart, on the daily charts, one must notice 74 indeed was a critical level which it has taken today, and also it is trading outside Bollinger Bands now. The bands are now looking upwards, and there is a possibility that it can continue its movement now on the upside. Now, see, 74.8, 75.2 is the first zone which you should watch out for. Beyond this, actually the ideal resistances are at 76, 76.1 levels. So yes, a breakout above 74.8, you can initiate a buying entry, expect it to keep moving towards 75, 75.2, and then 75.6, 76 levels will appear here. Beyond 76 is where the bulls are waiting, and then we are looking forward to see. Earlier I have mentioned and shared the drop here, then oil has consolidated here, and then we have seen this drop coming in. Now it is trading in this retracement channel. So it is very, very important now for the prices to trade above 76, which will confirm a breakout here and a reversal as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. But before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join the mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a safe free account with lowest spreads and no broker, and enjoy your trading journey, pay very less fees if you join through the link here. Now, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 74.8, expect it to move towards 75.1, 75.2. And if this is taken, we can look forward to 75.5, 75.6, and 76, 76.1. Now, once 76.1 is taken, there is further bullishness. We can expect where we can see 77.5, 78 levels at the next targets, if not today, possibly with the beginning of the next week. While on the downside today, I will recommend a selling entry at 74. But if you're selling at 74, there are support levels at 73.75, 73.5, 73.3. And if these three levels are taken, the fourth one is at 73. Below 73 is where the bears are waiting, and we can look forward to a drop here. Else, it is still not to be treated bearish. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. See, natural gas today taking the support from the 20 period. We have seen it rising here, and this time it, in fact, it has breached the critical resistance at 3.1 and now moved towards the next one at 3.13. Earlier in the day I have mentioned, if you see it is staying above 3.1, buy here and expect it to keep moving towards 3.13. The next is 3.18, 3.2 levels. And now also you should notice the support levels it has created at 3.08 is very, very, very strong. If at all natural gas breaks 3.08, then only we should treat this as bearish. The stochastic is rising, the MACD is also crossing over for the buys, and the RSI is also rising here. Good sign for bulls here. If you look at the 2 hour charts, one bullish candle, see what did we discuss here? It is trading in this channel, and breaking past this channel, it is going to deliver similar size of move. So once it breaks beyond 3.18, 3.2 zone, there is going to be tremendous bullishness here. Right now I can see the support levels it has created at 3.08 is very, very strong. Thus that is the only selling entry we can take here, but then also till 3.05 do not treat natural gas as bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD flat, RSI flat as well. And on the 3 hour charts, the observation is similar here. Just trying to keep itself within this channel. Let it break out of this channel. That will confirm the further bullishness, and a stronger rise can be seen. Stochastic overbought, MACD flat, RSI rising. On the 4 hour charts, if you see, now look at the movement here, a little rise, a consolidation, then again a rise. Now if you replicate this into here, the rise, the consolidation, and the rise here can be stronger one. So now if you see the lower price above 3.13, you can initiate a buying entry. 3.13, 3.14 zone rather, I will say you can buy here. Expect 3.18, 3.2 levels as the next targets, and then 3.24 will appear as the next strongest resistance here. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is flat, and the RSI is overbought here. Coming to the daily charts. Now see, on the daily chart for the last 2 days, we have seen a struggle at around 3.1. What has happened today? Higher lows are already seen. It is moving towards higher highs. Where are the highs for the day? Towards 3.18, 3.2 levels. So now once 3.13, 3.14 zone is taken, we can stay bullish here and further rise can be seen. Though if you look at the move here, after this stronger candle, now the movement has diminished and it is trying to stay, you can say, a bit moderate bullishness is what you can say. It has not yet shown any bearishness, but the bulls have also are trading with the diminished acceleration. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought. So looking at this, yes, things are getting overbought, and thus we have to be cautious. A move towards 3.14, 3.13 is where you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 3.18, 3.2 levels as the next target, and 3.24 as the third. Beyond 3.24 is where sky is the limit for natural gas. The next week also we are going to look forward to another round of rise if it stays above 3.24. But looking at the overbought levels today, it appears it is going to be difficult for net gas to sustain the rise. Though we have seen when it was bearish, it has crashed sharply for days and weeks and months. And thus, if it continues to rise, we should not be surprised with that. Now, on the downside, a selling entry I will only recommend is at 3.08 levels, where you can expect 3.0506 first, 3.0203 second, and then $3 levels will appear. Below $3 levels is where maximum bearishness may prevail. Chances for this happening appears to be very, very less. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Uh, this is a daily second update for the day. The weekly review will be released tomorrow. Do not miss to watch that. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.